The lock-to-pull IV lockbox is a unique box to secure your controlled substance infusions from tampering and diversion. The box, with the bag inside, locks to the pole, prevent the entire box from being removed. Healthcare Logistics has a variety of IV lock boxes available. Some boxes are designed for a single IV bag and some are designed for two. Regardless of what type you have, the simple installation is virtually the same. Look at the pole and find the position in which you will be placing the box. It should be placed in an area where there are no adjustment settings. Also, make sure the hook in the box is at the top. Look at the clamps and note if they are in the open or closed position. If the clamps are closed, simply take your finger, place it behind the rubber strip, then gently pull forward. Align the clamps on the inside of the box with the pole. With 4 fingers behind the clamp and your thumb on the pole, press firmly until the clamps wrap around the pole. You can now hang the IV bag on the hook, then lock the door of the IV box. If you need to remove the box or securely transport the contents, first remove the IV bag, if there is one inside. Now hold the box from the outside between the 2 clamps. With your other hand, wrap 4 fingers around the pole. Then, place your thumb on the side of the clamp and firmly press until the clamps are unwrapped from the pole. If you are transporting an IV bag, place the bag on the hook, lock the door, and take it to its destination. If you have a double IV box, the box attaches to the pole the same way as a single box. However, because of the additional size and weight, we recommend the following method. Open the door of the IV box on a table. If not possible, lay the box on its back on your open right hand, then slowly and carefully open. When the door is about halfway open, securely hold the box using both hands. When you approach the pole, make sure your right hand has a very firm grip on the side of the box. Slowly open the door all the way. This will keep the door from swinging and constantly shifting weight. Now, bring the box behind the pole, then slowly bring it to a slightly upright position. With your left hand, place 4 fingers behind the bottom back of the box and your thumb on the pole. Then press firmly until the clamp wraps around the pole. Now do the same with the top of the box. You can now hang the IV bags on the hooks, then lock the door. When you need to remove the box, make sure the door is open all the way. Remove the IV bags. Take a very firm grip of the side of the box with your right hand. Using your left hand, wrap 4 fingers around the pole, just below the top clamp. Then, place your thumb on the side of the clamp and firmly press until the clamps are unwrapped from the pole. Carefully close the door. If you need to securely transport IV bags, place the box on a table first before hanging the bags on the hooks and locking the box. If you have any questions or have a suggestion on a video you would like to see, please use the following contact information.